We are continuing our Vancouver Island vlog by visiting several locations in today's video. While on this side of the island, we explore the area around Tofino. On the following day, we make our way back on the east side where we stroll through the trees at Cathedral Grove and then visit some beautiful waterfalls at Little Qualicum Falls.
Well, it's a little later than what we thought. This is our first night that we've had in like a week almost that we've stayed in the same place. So we haven't had to rush out of here in the morning. So we decided to sleep in a little bit. We're here in Ucluelet and we're going to get a little coffee and then we're going on the Rainforest walk and then Long Beach outside of like between Ucluelet and Tofino. And I think we'll make it over to Tofino just to kind of check out that town and also grab some lunch.
Yeah, get some food or something. Yeah.
Well, we're a week into our car rental and it still smells like pot. It's, Abby said it's definitely better, but it's not gone.
Unfortunately. There's a small little easy hike called the Rainforest Walk right off of the road whenever you're heading to, what is it?
Tofino.
Tofino. That we're gonna check out. This is my kind of hiking. It's like in nature, you're surrounded by these trees, and it's like a, walkway that's paved.
So look at this, Abby. It's like a fallen tree. And they just put rails on it. But like this is just a smooth walkway from people walking on it.
That's cool. This is definitely giving rainforest vibes, but I know if we were somewhere like, I don't know, Brazil, South America or something, would be so hot.
And humid.
So yeah. It's like a cool rainforest, and Weeby is in shorts, and I don't know how he's managing that because I'm in pants and I'm still cold.
Good. It feels so good.
Well, I loved that little walk.
Highly recommend.
Yes, highly recommend. We are going back to our car, and now we're headed to
Tofino.
Tofino. Why can I not keep track? I keep looking at Weeby like, It's actually kind of fun that way, though. I just wake up being like, okay, what are we doing today? Weeby is loving Canada. He has been inspired to, he's talking about dreaming of doing a cross-Canadian road trip where you start in one side and go all the way to the other.
That sounds fun.
It would be fun. We have been to Newfoundland and visited Halifax, and that's an awesome area. We've talked about wanting to kind of spend more time around the Bay of Fundy as well. So I'd be up for it, you know, as long as we included maybe Banff in that cross country.
Oh yeah, for sure. That looks amazing.
So who knows? Let us know down in the comments if you think we should make that one of our little travel series. So we found a little parking spot. There's not really any main agenda other than finding some food, doing a little bit of just kind of shopping around this
Maybe finding a gift shop.
Yeah.
Knowing Abby, that's on the table.
But just kind of exploring this cute little beachside town. I was telling Weeby, it reminds me a little bit of like Bar Harbor vibes, and it's kind of misty, rainy, and so I don't know, it just feels cozy, and maybe we'll find some hot soup or something. I don't know.
Yeah, that sounds really good.
Yeah.
Okay, this looks delicious. It's too bad Abby and I are splitting it.
Well,
No, it's like 2 in the afternoon, so we're kind of just getting a snack for the day.
and then that way, if we want some more food from somewhere else,
Oh,
we can still find some soup.
yeah. Okay.
This is their fried halibut and an apple slaw.
Which was really good.
The apple slaw is very good. All that's left is a lowly, crusty fry.
It was your fry that you didn't eat.
Oh, Weeby's blaming me, but that was delicious.
It was so good. Just walking around, checking out the shops. Abby's favorite.
Weeby is all shopped out.
No, it wasn't that bad.
No, I love walking around little like beach towns and kind of popping in and out of like little shops. And we came out of this shop and I smelled like the ocean burning, like firewood and pine. And I said to Weeby, I was like, oh, you know what that smell is? It's the smell of vacation. I know that's stupid, but like, I don't know. I just had a burst of endorphins for a moment there. But we're going to an area called Long Beach just to kind of take a look at the ocean and just do a little sightseeing of the area. But so far I really like Tofino. It's a nice little place. Gonna get some sand in our shoes. We're gonna find a little spot to spread out our little beach blanket. Weeby said he wants to put his toes in the water.
We're all looking at the beach and Abby's over here. Munch, munch, munch.
I'm snacking.
Snacking.
You change your mind about putting your feet in?
It feels a little cold. Abby and I brought our little beach mat. And we're just gonna sit here and kind of watch the waves and watch the surfers back here. Yeah. Abby found a few cell phone bars, texting her sister.
texting Ashley. We miss you, Ashley. Wish you were here.
Say goodbye to the ocean, Abby.
We're not leaving it for good. We're going to see it again in this trip. We made it back to Ucluelet. Why do I always have a hard time with that? Ucluelet.
Yeah.
We made it back. And
well, the locals say Yuki.
Yuki? Is that what we were told?
That's what we were told.
We made it back to Yuki. And I was really hoping for some soup of some kind. I don't really care. Like, even if it's just grilled cheese and tomato soup, that sounds really good with how, you know, cold and everything it's been. But there's no, like, good soup place. I should open a business here.
Yeah.
It's
all
like,
they have is clam chowder.
I should just be hot soup. That's all I serve. Grilled cheese, hot soups. Anyway, so we couldn't really find a place, just kind of Googling it, but Wibby, you found a place called like the Howler.
It's like Howler Restaurant or Howler Cafe, something like that.
Yeah, so we're gonna get some dinner and then just go back to our little resort cabin and listen to our audiobook, take a hot shower, and just kind of relax. Maybe sip on some wine.
Well, we are on the road again. Today we are leaving Ucluelet, and our Airbnb is in Nanoose Bay, just outside of Nanaimo.
I'm really impressed with your pronunciations.
Oh yeah, I hope that was all right.
Sounded good.
Sounded good. On the way, we're going to stop at Cathedral Grove and then Little Qualicum Falls, I think is how it said. So those are both kind of little hiking areas, and I think the Cathedral Grove will be beautiful, and I think the falls will be really cool. So I'm excited about both of those.
Yeah, it'll be fun.
Yeah.
Not a road trip without McDonald's, unfortunately, but look how cute the little Canadian maple leaf.
Now you know we actually went to Canada.
We're at an area called Cathedral Grove off of Cameron Lake. It looks like a pretty popular spot. There's quite a bit of cars and hikers and that kind of thing. So supposedly it's a nice little moderate hike with some beautiful views, and you know, those are my favorites. There's multiple different loops. This is the road that we came in on and we'll be leaving on. I say we come down, we do this inner loop so that way we can see this giant Douglas fir. The largest in the park. Here, and then we'll do that little bit and then cross the road and then do this bigger loop to see the lake and then maybe come over to the river.
Yeah, that sounds good. This is giving me sequoia vibes for sure.
That was a big tree.
Yeah. I don't think it's quite as big as General Sherman, but still, that's crazy.
Mm-hmm.
Why did the weebies cross the road?
To get to the other side.
Oh, he's turning.
Okay. Oh. There's really not like a crosswalk, is there? Thank you, dude.
enjoying your time, Abby?
Of course.
This weather is phenomenal.
Yes, it is beautiful.
It's like slightly cold to where I could use a jacket, but like I'm just loving it.
Me too. I like to read the signs that they have posted, and one of the signs said that like a fallen down, decomposing, dying tree, they call it a nurse tree because it's nursing all other things in the forest to where they can still thrive and have life. So like the nutrients and the decomposing of the tree itself like helps give life to other things. So a dead fallen down tree is still very vital for like the ecosystem. So I thought that was interesting. So check out this nurse tree. That's its roots from where it got like uprooted. And there's like a literal tree growing out of the top of its roots. See, even in death, we serve a purpose. Right, Weeby? Wow, this was quite the uprooting of this big tree.
Yeah.
And see, like, look at that tree, how it's like growing out of the roots of that. That's insane.
Okay, Abby. Is it cold?
It's cold.
It's cold.
It's nice though. I know I'm being weird, but this log is that same tree that had fallen, and look how giant it is. Look how big it is compared to Weeby's head.
My tiny head.
Oh, good job.
Whatever.
Well, that was a really good little hike, side road kind of thing to do.
Yeah.
It's
It's very popular.
there is a lot of people, but listen, it's big enough that you have those moments of solitude.
Right.
But-
And they also make you walk one way, so you don't really run into.
Oh yeah, reverse traffic.
Yeah.
But it's right off the road. Very easy little trails to walk down. You can forest bathe and appreciate nature without having to get too much of a sweat.
Just your kind of hike.
Yep.
Abby, what do you think of Cameron Lake?
It's beautiful, and if I had my swimsuit on, I'd be doing like a cold water plunge out here.
As it is, she's looking for a flat rock to skip.
I'm terrible at skipping rocks.
Here goes Abby's attempt.
Oh,
Wow.
I'm not any good. I think as a child I used to be good.
So we are here, and the map makes it look like the upper waterfalls are bigger, maybe? I don't know. So we're gonna check out the lower first since we're right here, and then we'll walk up and go see the upper trail. Actually, we could probably walk over the bridge and then see how the trail goes along the river and then back up the other side. We could do that loop.
I don't know. Let's see.
Okay.
We'll find out. Weeby and I watched Pioneer Polly, which I'm pretty sure on Vancouver Island, a Canadian who has...
Yeah, he for sure is.
He's got his own like prospecting claim that he has. And so he goes through rivers and stuff and he finds gold and all that. So Weeby and I were like, I bet there's gold in this.
We were like, I wonder where Pioneer Polly is, like what rivers he's on.
Mm-hmm.
Obviously, he's not in the park, you know.
Yeah,
but
the fencing is not actually meant for our safety. It's meant to keep us from
finding the gold. That's yeah, it's from finding the gold. That's right.
We're now at the Upper Falls area. Staying at another Airbnb, and this place is beautiful. There's like this marsh area that's like a bird sanctuary, and it leads out to like an inlet of the ocean, and it is so beautiful. But this is the cutest little place. So we met our Airbnb host, and he was very nice and gave a suggestion for dinner. It's called Aioli Seafood Restaurant. So we're gonna go to an early dinner on purpose because the like nature preserve that backs up to the Airbnb has a family of beavers that have been at work building like a little dam, and it's pretty close to the house, and he said around like dusk as the sun is setting, you can see them. And so I want to be sitting out on the patio watching some beavers tonight. So we're gonna go to an early dinner at Aioli.
Good vibes. Go.
Don't get too close.
You're supposed to toast. You're supposed to toast the camera. I mean, look at this presentation.
I got the shrimp feast, which is probably too much food.
So there's a shrimp pasta, tempura shrimp,
Grilled
and
shrimp.
some grilled shrimp. I just got a salad, seasonal vegetables.
Yours looks so much healthier.
It does, doesn't
We're
it?
gonna be eating off each other's.
Oh, yeah. I'm gonna eat some of that shrimp for sure. Especially this tempura shrimp. We've got our ice cream. And Abby's looking for beavers. Our host says that there are beavers down here, and they've created this little beaver dam. And he said they come out in the evening, so yeah. That's why we're out here hunting for beaver.
Not hunting.
Oh.
Searching. We want to see them. If you're ever in Canada, Weeby and I agree. This stuff is 5 stars. Highly recommend.
Highly recommend. But I like caramel, but it has little chunks in it that are crunchy. Oh man, it's good.
Crunchy chunks.